The Bond Manufacturing 1160 Twist Tie Spool Dispenser and Cutter is a compact yet highly functional tool designed to keep your twist ties neatly organized and readily accessible. With a generous 66-foot length of twist tie material, this green dispenser ensures you have plenty of tying options for various applications, from gardening to household use. Made from durable plastic, the dispenser is lightweight and easy to handle, weighing just 0.1 pounds and measuring 2.36 by 0.79 by 2.36 inches. Its design is both practical and efficient, featuring a built-in cutter that allows for quick and precise adjustments of the twist ties. The cutter mechanism is smooth and reliable, making it effortless to cut the exact length of tie needed for your task. The spool design keeps the twist ties neatly coiled, preventing tangling and making it simple to pull out just the right amount. The green color of the dispenser adds a touch of brightness to your toolkit or workspace, while the compact size ensures it doesn't take up too much space. Overall, the Bond Manufacturing Twist Tie Spool Dispenser is an excellent addition to any home or garden. Its ease of use, combined with the practicality of the built-in cutter, makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify their tying tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.